All right, 1953 Chevy, that's mine. 1950 Ford, that's hers. Girl Garage Gear is her business, so this is actually a real shop truck. She takes the car shows, pulling a trailer, selling her merchandise. She drives it, never trailers it. Same as mine. I drive it every day, non-trailered. And if it takes me a little bit longer to get there, I drive. So we enjoy the drive because we get a lot of thumbs up and people waving and checking out our trucks. It's pretty cool. So let me show you what they look like. This is my swamp cooler. This one's hers. I still got the Chevy truck taillights. This right here was a pleasure chest, but I went ahead and painted it to kind of go with the truck. And right there is where I put the gas in. Truck's in rough shape, but I got the fender skirts on it. Still working on it, still my project. Not bad. Got the passing eye mirror on there. Here's the inside. Got some accessories. Bought that at a flea market, love it. That's the inside. Here's her inside. She went with a different route on the pinstriping. We love it. That's where she puts her gas in and her battery box. I bet you guys can't guess where this front bumper came from. She wanted it real bad for her truck to be different. So, see if you can guess. Let me know in the comments what you think it is. And yes, it's an old vintage bumper. Got the bug deflector right there. So, Model T, Model A luggage rack with some luggage. Spoke wheels. We went with baby moons on hers. Now let me show you the motors. Okay, so 2006 Ford Ranger with the turbo. Turbo's at the bottom of the motor. Very good motor, very reliable. Like I said, and it's good on gas, everything else. So this one over here, little V6. I have an S10. Suspension and everything's S10. That's my overflow that I made. Check out our other videos to see how I made some stuff for this truck and how much it's changed, all the work that's gone into it. Like and subscribe to our channel, SKC Adventures. I'm also part of an unforeseen car club, and look that up on Facebook or YouTube. You'll probably find us there too. So I got the AC and everything, but I don't have AC or heat right now in my truck. One of these days I will, not right now. My wife's got the heat. I don't, which is all right. I'd rather her have it instead of me. So anyways, that's my 1953 Chevy pickup. I got an older hood on it, so it's just off a little bit, but it's still pretty cool, I think. And her 1950 Ford. And if you can guess what that bumper is, like I said, put it in the comments and let us know what you think. We wanted to look different from everybody else, and I think we pulled that off. So, and if you do say any negative comments, I hope you still have a good day and everything. And you know, everybody's opinions are different. You know, not everybody's going to like what we like, and you know, as long as we still get along and enjoy life, that's all that matters. So have a good day, and thank you for watching.